Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, our comprehensive guide on the top 5 best drone cameras of 2024. Today, we'll unveil cutting-edge drones that are revolutionizing aerial photography. Stay tuned until the end, as we reveal an exclusive drone that's not just leading the pack but also redefining what's possible in the skies above. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Holy Stone GPS Drone HS-175D, a quadcopter that promises to elevate your flying experience. So, buckle up and let's dive into the world of high-flying adventure. 4K Ultra Clear Camera. First up, the 4K Ultra Clear Camera. This beauty boasts a 110 degrees wide-angle lens and a 90 degrees adjustable view, giving you crisp, high-resolution images. The 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures your videos are smooth, even when you're battling the elements. It's a game-changer for aerial photography. The GPS Auto Return. Next, we have the GPS Auto Return feature. Lost signal? Drone out of range? Low battery? No problem. This drone's got your back, automatically returning home, so you never have to worry about losing your precious cargo. Having a homing pigeon, but way cooler. Better flight experience. The better flight experience is all about longevity and ease. With 2 batteries offering up to 46 minutes of flight time, plus user-friendly functions like altitude hold and one-key takeoff/landing, even beginners will feel like seasoned pilots. It's truly a breeze to fly. Considerate design. Holy Stone's considerate design shines with its portability. The foldable fuselage makes it a cinch to store and carry, perfect for your outdoor adventures. And at under $250, you can forget about FAA registration. It's the travel buddy you didn't know you needed. More intelligent functions. Lastly, the more intelligent functions. This drone isn't just smart, it's a genius. It can trace and follow you, fly along preset paths, circle points of interest, and even snap photos or videos on cue. It's like having your personal photographer in the sky. Conclusion: the Holy Stone GPS Drone HS-175D is a stellar choice for anyone looking to capture breathtaking views from above. With its advanced features and thoughtful design, it's sure to delight both hobbyists and pros alike. Until next time, keep flying high and capturing those incredible moments. Happy droning! Number 4. The DJI Air 2S. This sleek quadcopter promises stunning visuals and intelligent features. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Body, 5 sections, 50 words each, 1-inch image sensor, capturing cinematic moments. The DJI Air 2S boasts a 1-inch image sensor with large 2.4 micrometers pixels. Translation? Crisp, detailed footage at 5.4K/30 fps and 4K/60 fps. Whether you're filming landscapes or tracking fast-moving subjects, this sensor delivers. Master shots, elevating your shots. Say goodbye to trial and error. Master shots is like having a personal cinematographer. With a single tap, it analyzes your surroundings and creates captivating cinematic sequences. It's like magic for your drone shots. Focus track, keeping your subject in frame. Spotlight 2.0, active track 4.0, and point of interest 3.0. These features make focus track a game changer. DJI Air 2S smoothly follows or circles your subject, even at a max service ceiling of 5,000 meters. Perfect for epic vistas and action shots. 1 billion colors, true-to-life footage. The 10-bit log-M color profile unlocks a palette of 1 billion colors. Your footage will pop with richness and nuance. From sunsets to cityscapes, every detail shines through. Ultra-smooth transmission, flying without interruptions. DJI's O3, OcuSync 3.0, technology ensures an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed. Fly up to 7.5 miles away while maintaining a seamless connection. No more dropped frames or signal hiccups. Conclusion: 30 words in summary, the DJI Air 2S is a powerhouse for aerial creators. Its impressive sensor, intelligent modes, and vibrant color capabilities make it a top pick. So, grab your controller, hit that record button, and let your creativity soar. Number 3. The Ruko F11 Mini Drone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious beginner, this compact quadcopter promises an unforgettable flying experience. Let's explore its features, flight capabilities, and more. Body, lightweight wonder, 50 words. The Ruko F11 Mini weighs in at just under 250 g, which means no FAA registration hassles. But don't let its size fool you. With a brushless motor, it maintains stable flight both indoors and outdoors. Take it up to 393 feet in the sky, with a takeoff altitude of 6,561 feet. Impressive, right? 4K UHD camera, 50 words, capture breathtaking moments with the 4K UHD camera. Snap stunning 4096x3072p photos and record smooth 2.7K/25 FPS videos. Plus, the 120 degrees wide-angle field of view and adjustable 90 degrees lens ensure you get the perfect shot every time. 60 minutes of flight time, 50 words, imagine soaring through the skies for a whole hour. Thanks to the 2 intelligent flight batteries, the Ruko F11 Mini delivers an impressive 60 minutes of flight time. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, this extended battery life is a game changer. Intelligent GPS flight, 50 words, let's talk smart features. Activate Follow Me mode, set waypoints, or explore points of interest, all powered by GPS. And if the battery runs low or the signal weakens, hit the one-tap return button, and the drone will gracefully find its way back home. Beginner-friendly and customer support, 50 words, new to drones? No worries. The Ruko F11 Mini is beginner-friendly, complete with a protective camera cover. Takeoff and landing are a breeze with the one-tap functions. Plus, Ruko offers excellent customer service, including a 30-day return/exchange policy and a 90-day product guarantee. Conclusion: so there you have it, folks. The Ruko F11 Mini drone combines power, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're capturing epic landscapes or simply enjoying the thrill of flight, this foldable and lightweight quadcopter is a winner. Number 2. The Holy Stone HS720G GPS Drone. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, this feature-packed drone promises stunning footage and worry-free flights. Body, 5 sections, each 50 words, built-in remote ID for safety. Section heading: the HS720G comes equipped with FAA-compliant remote ID, eliminating the need for an extra module. Safety first, right? Now you can fly confidently, knowing you're following regulations. Cinematic footage with 4K EIS camera. Section heading: the 2-axis motorized gimbal paired with a 4K EIS camera ensures breathtaking shots. Capture every detail from a bird's-eye view without shaky footage. Your creative possibilities just expanded. Outdoor performance and endurance. Section heading: with powerful brushless motors and a 26-minute battery life. The HS720G handles outdoor conditions like a pro. Compose perfect pictures, explore landscapes, and chase sunsets. The sky's the limit. User-friendly features. Section heading: novice pilots, rejoice. Headless mode, automatic takeoff, and altitude hold make flying a breeze. Plus, optical flow positioning keeps your drone steady even in challenging environments. GPS precision and intelligent flight modes. Section heading: the GPS module ensures stability and anti-interference capabilities. Try Follow Me, Tap Fly, or Point of Interest modes for creative shots. Your memories begin when you power up the HS720G. Conclusion: 30 words in summary, the Holy Stone HS720G is more than a drone, it's your travel companion. Its foldable design and lightweight build, just 380 grams, make it perfect for adventures. So, grab your HS720G and explore the skies. Number 1. The skies with the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. This little marvel is a game changer for beginners and pros alike, and I'm here to tell you why. So, buckle up and let's take off. Unboxing. First impressions. Unboxing the DJI Mini 4 Pro, you're struck by its sleek design. It's incredibly lightweight, under 249 g, meaning no registration is required. The compact size doesn't compromise on power or features, it's ready to fly right out of the box. Camera video quality. The 4K HDR video capability is stunning. Capturing sunsets or city lights has never been easier. The footage is crisp, clear, and ready to share, no editing required. It's perfect for capturing life's moments from a bird's eye view. Safety features. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing adds a layer of safety that's invaluable. Whether you're navigating through trees or around buildings, the drone's sensors keep your flight smooth and collision-free. It's peace of mind in the battery life. Flight time. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, you get up to 135 minutes of flight time. That's over 2 hours of exploring skies and landscapes without worrying about your next charge. It's truly uninterrupted flight freedom. Transmission tracking. The 20 km FHD video transmission is a standout feature. Real-time footage is crystal clear, even at distances that would leave other drones in the dust. And with customizable intelligent tracking, capturing dynamic shots is a breeze. Conclusion. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is an impressive package. It's user-friendly for beginners yet powerful enough for seasoned pilots. It's not just a drone, it's your ticket to exploring the world from a whole new perspective. Fly more, worry less, and capture everything with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Happy flying! Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.